Introducing XChange, the hot swappable tool changer that's designed for any 3D printer. XChange incorporates an elegant mechanical and electrical connection that enables rapid tool changes in a single motion. It features an interchangeable tool plate with a robust magnetic locking mechanism for fast, easy changes. Whether you want to try out new tools or accessories, experiment with multi-material prints, make use of spare parts, or just maximize uptime for your printers, XChange makes it possible. We designed XChange to be widely functional, yet maintain the smallest, lightest footprint possible. Made in the USA, XChange features an anodized aluminum frame, aerospace-grade electrical connectors, and is readily compatible with most existing 3D printers. Compatible with virtually any combination of tools and accessories you can imagine, XChange opens up a world of new possibilities with the printer you already have. So, how will you use XChange?